Meaning of floodlight.
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 Floodlight. A floodlight is a powerful lighting device that produces a broad, intense beam of light. It is commonly used for outdoor lighting applications such as illuminating tennis courts, football fields, or other large areas. Floodlights typically feature a high-intensity discharge lamp or multiple LED lights mounted on a sturdy base that can be directed in any direction as needed. When switched on, the floodlight floods the area with bright light, providing excellent visibility even in the darkest hours of the night.